ipapalista natin? Ha? Matulog ka na? Ano yung sasabihin natin? Ha? Ano yun? Ano ipapalista sa munisipyo? Ano ipapalista ko sa munisipyo? Ha? Ano yun? Ikaw na, papalista na kita sa munisipyo. Bakit? Ba't papalista kita sa munisipyo? Ha? Bakit ka palista kita sa munisipyo? Ha? Bakit? Bakit kita papalista sa munisipyo? Namatay ka na. Ayan na buhay ka. Ha? Ha? Napalista ka na buhay ka pa? Gusto mo nang mamatay? Ha? Gusto mo nang mamatay?
Service naman kayo pa.
Lahat ng buti ay naroon sa puso mo. Buhay man ay handang ialay mo. Walang inang matitiis ang isang anak. Ika'y dakila at higit ka sa lahat. Ang awit na ito ay alay ko sa'yo. Ang himig at titig ay pag-ibig sa puso ko. Ika'y nag-iisa, ikaw lang sa mundo. Ang may pusong wagas, ganyan ang tulad mo. Sa buhay kong ito, tanging pangarap lang ang iyong pagmamahal ay makamtan. Kahit na sandali kita'y mamasdan, ligay ay tila bang walang hanggan. Sana'y di na magising kung nangangarap man din. Kung ang buhay na makulay ang tatahakin. Minsan ay madarapa, minsan din ay luluha. Di ka na maninindig.
remember when you were there, when I didn't care for anyone but you.
Likot mo naman.
I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine everything two of us can't do. Through the years, never let me down. Turn my life around. Sweetest things I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we've known, and I'm so glad I stayed
Sabihin lang,
with
salamat.
you.
Salamat.
I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seemed to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you. Through the years. Through the years, when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt.
The years you never let me down. You turn life around. The sweetest taste I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid of the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed.